So what is the answer?
The right answer is option B, Bombay. 0 is an even number. Please write it down. Don't make a mistake. 0 is an even number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I want to answer your questions or queries. So if you have any questions, I can answer. Any of you can raise your hands, unmute yourself, and ask me your questions. Whatever questions you have, I'll try to answer it.
Sir,
Yeah.
you told about squares now, sir. Nearest to
Right.
100. If nearest to 10 will be there.
No. There is Nishta. Very good question, child. This is one of the sutras of Vedic maths. There are 22 sutras. I just wanted to explain the importance of Vedic maths. That is why I picked up one example. So you'll have to learn 22 sutras for to get it fast. But yes, this can only follow if it is near 100. If it is near 50, there is a different way of doing it. But you can try the trick today. You know the trick now. So what you do is try with your family members and ask them to solve it, and then you can do it faster than the calculator. So you'll be the next Shakuntala Devi, and they'll be zapped. Oh wow, she's fast. Got it? Very good. Yes, kids. Any questions? Ask. Please ask your question. Irfan Khan, I can see you. Yes, people. Please ask questions. How many of you are interested in cricket? How many of you enjoy watching cricket?
I am, sir.
Very good. So cricket uses two parts of mathematics and a knowledge of physics. Once you go for the toss and everything, that is a part of mathematics which is used. But when you look at the ball swing, that part you learn later in physics called something called projectile motion. That angle which it takes is basically using physics a lot. Do you know what is a seam and a swing? How many people know that? Okay, Sai Kirtana, I would like to explain your question. If you can unmute, I'll try to answer that, child.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, if you can repeat your question louder, I would love to hear it, and then I'll explain it.
Sir, why is 0 is even number?
Okay. Now I'm asking you a rhetorical question. What is an even number? Sai
Which multiple
Kirtana.
are divisible by 10?
No.
2.
Wait. Let Sai Kirtana answer me. What is an even number according to you?
Sir, which multiply divisible by 2, 2, 5.
No. 5 is not an even number. 5 is not an even number. The actual definition of an even number is when you divide the number by 2, your remainder is 0. When you divide any number by 2, your remainder is 0. In mathematical language, we call this as a perfect divisible. That means your remainder comes out as 0. Is that okay? That is the definition of an even number. Is that okay? Perfectly divisible. Now, when you divide a number 0 by 2, what is your remainder? 0. Perfect. That is why it is an even number. And people don't ever make a mistake in 0. It is our discovery to the world of science. It's Aryabhat who's discovered 0. So please, write it down somewhere. Write it down somewhere. 0 is a perfect even number. Don't make a mistake. Ravi sir, if you can hear me, I'm done with my end unless the kids have any questions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Dear kids, you ask the question to sir. Sir is can give you any answer related to mathematics. If you have any queries, please ask to him. Sir has taught more than 1 lakh student all over India, you know. So sir is having a great, experience of mathematics. So please, every one of you, if you have any queries, you can ask to him. He's there with all of you.
Sir,
Yes?
Yes, beta.
what is different between even number and odd number, sir?
If you can write it down, can you write it down? Numbers which are perfectly divisible by 2. Write down. Everybody write down. Numbers which are perfectly divisible by 2. That is, when you divide the number by 2, the remainder is 0.
Sir, can you say again?
That is when you divide the number by 2. When you divide the number by 2, the remainder is 0. Is called as even number. Next line, the number when divided by 2 gives a remainder. The number when divided by 2 gives a remainder is an odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Okay, and as far as even number concerned, remember it is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Okay, Surya, if you can ask me a question, I will try to answer. Surya, you have a question, I'll try to answer, child.
Sir, how much time we left with you, sir? Manoj sir, how much time you can?
Maximum 2 minutes maximum, sir.
Okay, but childrens, you can ask the question to sir within 2 minutes because sir have some another meeting and he's quite busy with that. So you can ask any question
What
if
is
you have.
probability?
Okay, good question. I think even Surya had asked me a question. Probability, child, you learn in later on standards in maths. It is basically that part of maths which will tell you what will happen in the future. It is, if you write down, probability is something which will happen in the future. Okay, it does not tell you what has
Sir,
happened in
what
the.
are co-prime numbers?
Oh, very good. Now, co-prime numbers are numbers which are prime to each other. Write down. Co-prime numbers are numbers which are prime to each other. For example, take 13 and 15. 13 and 15. Now let's look at 13. Let us look at all the factors of 13. So write down 13 is equal to 1 into 13.
Sir, sir,
Next line, just give me a minute, beta. Let me complete this. It's 3 into 5. That is one factor. Second factor is 15 into 1. If you notice, there is no common factor of 13 and 15. कोई भी common factor नहीं है except 1. So such pairs are called as co-prime numbers. Numbers which do not have any common factor. Next line, write down.
sir,
Just let me complete, then I'll come to your query. Just let me complete it. Write down. All prime numbers are co-prime numbers. All prime numbers are co-prime numbers, but a co-prime number need not be a prime number. But a co-prime number need not be a prime number.
Sir,
I hope that is clear.
sir, can you say about twin prime numbers?
Ravi sir, I'm sorry, I'll have to leave the meeting. Ravi sir,
Sir,
are you
yeah,
there?
thank you so much, sir. It was really. Thank you so much. Nagaraju sir, are you there? Nagaraju sir. Hello. He was there. The principal of school was there, but now I think he's not there. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. You can proceed, sir, with your another meeting and duty. Children, so how was it?
Right, sir. Thank you, everyone. Did you enjoy it?
Yes,
Did you like the
so much,
session?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up.
Very nice, sir.
Very good. Huge round of applause for everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And with your permission, I will close the session, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Take care, kids. Bye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.